Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how can you download Ollama on your computer. So for downloading that, open any web browser, then search here Ollama download. Now go to this first link, download Ollama on Windows. Now click on this button, download for Windows. So here you can see downloading has been started. So it can take a few seconds to minute according to your internet speed to download. So after the installation, or can say download, I will show you how can you install Ollama on your computer. So let's wait till the downloading ends. So now as you can see here, Ollama has been downloaded, and now double click it to launch the installer, and now just wait till the installer launches. So now as you can see here, Ollama installer has been launched. Now click on install to start the installation. So here you can see it is now installing. Will take a few seconds according to your PC configuration. So let's wait. So as you can see here, the installation has been completed and the Ollama is launched on my computer. So now you can start using it. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.